Going on, YouTubers? This is Buddy coming at you. Another quick video. We finally got the 20-gallon long up, running, and almost 100% complete. Got a little bit of work to do on the stand still. Just some painting and some trim to put on the stand, and I'll do that over the next 6 weeks as I let this tank cycle. So today I'm making this video so we can talk a little bit about cycling and some things you can do to help speed up the process or help to kickstart the cycle along. Now, just let me set the record straight. As far as it goes, you don't need to do anything at all. You can just leave your tank alone. If you start with I'm talking about if you start with 100% dead rock, 100% dead sand, and you set your tank up and let it go, it will cycle all on its own. There's nothing you need to do. So I just want to be clear on that. There's nothing you need to do. There's just some things you can do to help speed up the process. If you start with 100% dead rock, 100% dead sand, and you're not adding any beneficial bacteria to no booster products or anything like that to the system, be prepared for it to take between 6 to 8 weeks realistically to fully cycle the aquarium if you're starting with 100% dead rock, dead sand, and you're not adding any bacteria products in a bottle, any other live rock or anything like that. So it just takes a little bit longer. So let's talk about the way I'm going to go about cycling my aquarium just to help kickstart it up a little bit. So what I'm doing in this particular 20-gallon long build is I'm actually using some pieces of rock, live rock, that I took out of the sump of my big tank downstairs. Now I actually have 2 pieces here, and I'm not using a lot, as you can see. Each one of these, that's probably about a pound together, probably about a half a pound a piece, maybe even less. And then I have 2 small pieces down here in the sump here, and I already threw some of the algae in here, the macroalgae here. I already got some of that in there. Now realistically I probably should have waited a little bit before I threw that in there, but I really don't care. It was in the big tank downstairs. I'm carbon dosing in that tank, and all the macroalgae has died off. That's all that was left, so I wanted to get it out of there before that died off too, because I do plan on having an active refugium in this tank, and I'm not going to carbon dose. So basically I'm using these pieces of live rock just to help boost the beneficial bacteria and help the cycle process hopefully kickstart it and get it going a little bit faster. And these pieces of rock also have all the critters that I'm looking for, and so those little pieces of rock right there will have the critters I need on there, and they're naturally going to populate. Not naturally, but they are going to populate now that I have introduced them to the system, and they will populate quite quickly too, very fast. So that's how I'm going to go about it, and this is another way that you can go about it if you're starting with 100% dead rock and dead sand. Even if it doesn't matter if you're starting with live sand or dead sand. I keep saying dead sand, but if you're starting with 100% dead rock, you can get a couple pieces of live rock just to kind of help boost the tank along and get that cycle process, help kickstart it. But like I said, there's nothing you need to do. You don't need to do anything. You just let the tank go. It just takes a little bit longer, that's all. So these pieces of rock will have all the critters I need and the beneficial bacteria that I need just to help boost the tank and get it going a little faster. Now, if you're starting with the 100% dead rock, in most cases the dead rock's going to have sponges and things like that on it, dead sponges and stuff that's going to decay, and that'll help to kickstart the cycle process too. The decaying matter helps to kickstart the cycle process because nature takes in and it helps to kickstart it a little bit. And so a lot of guys will even take a dead piece of shrimp and keep it in a net and just float it in the aquarium, and as it decays, the beneficial bacteria will populate and stabilize around that decaying matter within the aquarium. A lot of guys will also feed a little bit of food to the tank every day, and that food being broken down inside the aquarium will also help kickstart the beneficial bacteria, and the aquarium will stabilize around that amount of food that you're feeding to the tank every day. So that's a thing that you can do if you would like to go that route. There's also booster products like bacteria products in a bottle, which is in all reality is pretty much your best bet, especially if you do not have an aquarium already going where you have 100% pest-free live rock that you can use to help cycle the aquarium with. I would highly recommend that you just use booster products, and I say booster products and I mean bacterial products in a bottle. That would be your best bet. Don't go to the fish store and buy a couple pieces of live rock to throw them into your tank to help to cycle your aquarium, because it's really not needed, and in most cases you're probably going to introduce some Eptasia or some fireworms or some other type of bad parasite to your aquarium. Now, I'm not saying in every case, but there's a very good chance, and you're taking a big risk by adding those pieces of live rock from an unknown source. Your fish store, your local fish store, is an unknown source. We don't know where they're getting their live rock from. Of course they're going to tell you it's pest free, but in all reality there's probably pests within that live rock that they have no idea. They get a shipment in, they unload it, they put it in tanks, they sell it to you. It's that simple. So you really don't know what's in it unless they have dead rock that they cure at that store on site. Then they can guarantee you that there is no pest in there because they started with 100% dead rock and they cycled it and now they're selling it to you. That is the only way I would buy it, and that's the only way that I would trust that there was no parasites in it. Parasites, any unwanted hitchhikers or anything like that. So like I said, you can start with a little bit of live rock if it's a good source and you trust it, because we don't want no parasites. Hitchhikers, no ectasia, no fireworms. I keep saying parasites. So we don't want none of that. So if you can get good quality live rock that you know is good and pest free, you can grab a couple small pieces to help cycle your aquarium. You can use the bacteria products in a bottle to help kickstart that beneficial bacteria and get the tank cycling a little faster for you. You can cycle the aquarium using a fish, which I'm totally against, and I would highly recommend that you do not cycle the aquarium with a fish. It's just extremely cruel. I mean, let's be realistic here. It's extremely cruel, and it's not something you should do. The fish, that poor fish has to go through an ammonia spike, a nitrate spike, possibly high phosphates at some point, depending on how much decaying matter is within the live rock or the dead rock. You're probably going to have some phosphates and stuff like that in the system. So, I mean, the phosphates we're not really worried about. Fish can handle nitrates and phosphates at actually a pretty high level, believe it or not. But the ammonia and the nitrates will definitely kill them. Ammonia is definitely pretty poisonous to fish, and there are some hardy fish that can handle it, like blue green chromies, whatever. Damsels. I would definitely stay away from damsels, though. They are pretty territorial. If I was to add a damsel to this aquarium, 20-gallon long, there's a good chance that damsel would prevent me from adding other fish, because the damsel would be territorial and more than likely be attacking the fish that I add to the system. So damsels I would stay away from. But that's really it, guys. Like I said, there's nothing you really need to do. You can just let it go. And if you let it go and do nothing, it's probably going to take 6 to 8 weeks if you start with 100% dead rock. Now, if you start with live rock, it takes about 4 weeks to cycle your aquarium. And with live rock, there's nothing you need to do, because there is beneficial bacteria there. There is the critters there that you need. And you will get some die-off on the live rock. And all that is going to cycle your aquarium a lot faster. And realistically, in about 3 to 4 weeks, you'd probably be all cycled and ready to go if you start with 100% live rock. But we start with the dead rock because we know we're not going to have any hitchhikers, we're not going to have any pests, no ectasia, no fireworms, no nothing. I can name off 100 of them. We don't want nothing. So, and we're paying for 100% rock, no water weight, guys. That's another big thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's really not much to it. All right, so during that time, make sure you're maintaining your water temperature. Make sure you're maintaining your salinity. Keep everything in check. Fine-tune the system while you're cycling it. For all you new hobbyists out there, test every week just to get yourself familiar with doing the test and familiar with doing accurate tests. Get yourself familiar with your test kits. For me personally, I don't do anything for 6 weeks. I just leave the system alone. At the end of 6 weeks, I do a full rundown. I test everything just so I know where I'm at. I do a 20 to 30% water change at that 6-week mark, depending on what the tests come back. And then after that, right after I do that, I add up my cleanup crew. I add all my cleanup crew that I want. And then after a few days later, 3 or 4 days, maybe 5 days later, I add my first fish. A week after I add my first fish, I do a test. Water change. That's when after a week, on the 7th week mark is when I start doing my weekly water changes, 10% a week. Alright, so after I add that first fish, I wait a week, I do a full rundown test again, I do my second water change, and then I add either my second fish, or I might start adding some corals. Really doesn't matter to me which way they go, just whatever I feel like buying at that particular moment. And then the tank is ready to go at that point. Add your fish slower. Corals you can add much faster. Just keep in mind, depending on the type of corals you're adding, they will start to consume calcium and things like that. So you'll have to keep an eye on that as you're adding these corals, depending on the ones you're adding. corals you can add a lot faster. You want to give the aquarium time to stabilize around each fish you add, so I like to add one fish at a time, and I realistically would add one fish every 2 weeks to give the aquarium time to stabilize around that fish. This is a brand new system. We do not want to pack in a ton of fish too quick for the filtration and the ecosystem that we have built here. Too much of a bioload to handle. That's where we'll run into issues. So just keep that in mind, guys, and just fine-tune everything. Keep everything in check. Get familiar with the system, get familiar with your test kit, and get ready for the fun journey you're going to have ahead with your new tank. Alright guys, this is Buddy signing out. Happy reefing.